Then we also have an online cooking class, and this was actually born during the pandemic when we were all in our houses, and I felt like I really wanted to nourish people, and I felt people going through so much in their life, and it's like, okay, how could I nourish them? Me being at home and them being at home, how could I still feed people and share my love and nourishment? And the idea of doing cooking classes was born. So basically we're all in the comforts of our home, and I guide people through, and we're all making it together. And it was just it's really empowering because you're actually at your house making the food, and you get guidance if you run into anything along the way. Such a beautiful experience, and way to even help people in other countries, or even my family that's in another city, I could still nourish them that way.
The flow of the class. We start with a beautiful guided meditation, set our intentions.
Call in the forces of the universe to be with us today, to bless these beautiful souls with everything to benefit your life at this time.
Then we move our bodies a little bit. You can dance, you can stretch, or you can simply chill and wag your paws. Then to the kitchen to cook up some delicious magic together.
Sometimes how I chop, if I'm like just having one of those days that I just need to like rest and replenish and I don't feel like cooking. Okay, ready? Baby bird special. It works well with carrots too. By the way, when I'm actually cooking for people, I don't do this, just so you know. I'm not gonna like feed you food like this if you come to my house. But if it's just me, I do it.
And I just fold it over those two sides, taking it from the back, grabbing it, taking your fingers and just, I love you, I love you, I love you, you're so cute. And then rolling it, rolling it, rolling it. Hallelujah. Wow. How's everybody's coming along here? Feel free to, if you want to just go a thumbs up, or if you want to unmute yourself, let us know how you're doing. Okay, perfect. Okay, you guys are pros. Then we bless and enjoy our beautiful creations.
And now I want you to look at the food and look what you just created. Like, you made this. Feeling yourself getting excited, feeling your taste buds starting to dance. Blessings to all.
Thank you, Katie. Katie, this is so delicious. Yeah, amazing.
It's beautiful. Oh, it's so good.
Amazing. So glad.
So much. This is
Thank
great.
I am a holistic nutritionist, and I'll be sharing wisdom throughout the class, and you can ask me questions along the way.
So yes, I'm going to be guiding you and giving you the recipes, but I also want to encourage you to actually just feel into, okay, what does my body want? This miso soup recipe, we're using like the ancient wisdom from the people that created the miso soup, but we're doing it in a way that is more efficient and quicker and healthier.
Hey, Katie.
Yeah.
So your measurement of the miso was for one person, right? So I'm going to put 2 of those.
Yeah, put about 3 of those. That looks perfect, your spoonful. I just saw it. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
and you're even doing the ladle technique. Wow.
The date sugar
Amazing.
and some ginger.
Wow. I'm
Yeah.
so jealous. I'm about to get on a flight and come to Calgary.
Nutritional yeast. Is this a good thing to put in?
Okay, I'd say no.
No, eh? Okay.
I mean, I think you're good. I feel like all the things you put in there is honestly perfect.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, great job.
I started putting every colorful thing I had onto it. It feels like art, like so beautiful.
I really like the dipping sauce. I put a lot on. Thank you, Katie, for this blessing. My whole family's been eating it as I've been making it, and they're all like, God bless her.
Feeding a lot of these things to family members that don't usually like what I eat and suddenly do. So this is really exciting.
We're feeling it too. We feel so nourished on every level after your classes and time with you and meeting all these other beautiful people, and love seeing all the stuff you're doing.
Every time. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to be eating healthy again.
Overall, I just want to say thank you so much. I had definitely a lot of cooking breakthroughs.
I just really love your approach about intuitive, just listening to your body. I've had several workshops with you. My favorite was the cookie because I am a cookie monster, and being a vegan, it was hard. By the way, I made like 4 batches of cookies since last week.
No way.
Because everybody loves eating it. Well, of course, I ate most of it.
And here we have the beautiful creations of the group. Wow, it's so magical for me to see that this is what was being created on the other end of the computer. So beautiful to share this love, share this nourishment, share this joy, this laughter, this fun. Brings so much satisfaction to my heart and soul to nourish all of you beautiful people all over the world. Look forward to having you join us. Thank you. Blessings to you.